The H-Duka 1800W Smoothie Blender is equipped with an exceptionally powerful motor that operates at speeds up to 28,000 revolutions per minute, ensuring it can effortlessly handle ice, frozen fruits, and other tough ingredients. This blender comes with a large 70-ounce pitcher, making it perfect for creating large batches of smoothies, soups, and sauces, which is ideal for families and gatherings. The inclusion of a 20-ounce dry grinding cup allows this blender to function as both a blender and a grinder, handling a variety of tasks such as grinding nuts, spices, and coffee beans with ease. User-friendly controls with a smooth dial adjustment and a 5-minute timer make it easy to customize blending to achieve the desired consistency, whether you need chunky salsas or silky purees. Cleaning up is a breeze with the self-cleaning feature of the blender's pitcher, which, along with its lids and tamper, is dishwasher-safe, though the grinding cup requires manual cleaning. Constructed with durable BPA-free materials, the H-Duka blender is designed for long-lasting use, making it a reliable choice for daily kitchen tasks.